Welcome to Adagio West End. I'm Lockie, the CEO on the project. A lot's happened since the last visit. We're on the home straight with completion at the end of April. Let's go have a look. So we're up on the rooftop here. Last time you guys visited, we were getting ready to pour level 8 below this. Pool's all full now, fully tiled. We've got the barbecues going in below. Let's head downstairs and have a look at the units. We're on level 5 where finishes and fit off are complete. We're just getting ready for final clean and we should be done by the end of this month working out the building. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video.